I'm Steve, and this is my 1990 Nissan Skyline GTR. Currently, the car just has the stock RB2060 ETT, which is a 2.6 liter twin turbo. The only modifications are the radiator, some intake pods, and a Catback exhaust by Blitz. This is what the car sounds like with just the Catback exhaust and a test pipe. Now I'm going to do a pull so you can hear what it sounds like under acceleration. So our last couple pulls are going to be inside the car, first with the windows down and then with the windows up.